What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here again. Hope you're all having a great day today. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and the best settings of the APS3E PS3 emulator on Mali GPU Android devices, and with some performance tweaks. And the phone right here is powered by the high-end Dimensity 8352 Ultimate processor. With the latest ARM architecture, it has Mali G615 MC6, which is a powerful 6-core GPU. And this phone has 8 GB of DDR5X RAM with the fast UFS 4 storage. And these are some specs. Well, I also did some couple of tests on this device in my videos. Tested this phone with GameHub PC emulator, which it handled it really well. So anyway, the setup process is almost same as usual. Like I shown on Snapdragon version. So currently version 1.35 is the latest. I have already installed on this phone. As usual, open the emulator. Go to the next step. Now here we need to import our PS3 firmware file, which is officially available on PlayStation page. Just import the PS3 update PUP file. Now add the ISO directory path folder where you copied the titles. Allow the file access permission. Now here select the font file from the firmware by default. And that's it. Setup is done. So the ISO directory path titles will be listed here. Now let's go to About section. Here you can see the emulator is configured to the phone's CPU core architecture with its features and the GPU as well. With the Mali G615 MC6 Vulkan 1.3 latest driver, used as the default system driver. Well, you all know Mali GPUs usually don't have proper driver support. Anyways, let's go to settings. Go to core. Here, PPU decoder is set to LLVM recompiler. Set PPU threads to 3 to 4. As this phone has 4 main high-performance Cortex A7 15 cores. Here by default, the main core will be used as LLVM CPU. Set SPU block size to safe. And that's it. And make sure to set both the PPU threads and the LLVM compile threads to value 4. It will vary device to device. Some devices will have 2 main cores and remaining with efficient ones. Now, as usual, go to video settings. Renderer is set to Vulkan. Here set resolution to lowest 480p. Frame limit is set to auto. Disable MSA. Set shader mode to async shader recompiler. Set shader precision to low. Enable these buffers. To fix some graphical issues on some titles. Enable VSync if you are using a low-end device. Enable stretch to fit display area. Enable frame skip if you face any slowdown lag issue during compilation. Here set output scaling mode to bilinear. And that's it. So these are the settings. Let's also enable the performance overlay for FPS stats. I'll also increase font size a bit. And that's it. So these are the settings. Now it's time for the test. Let's start with this game. Also, please don't expect big titles to work on this or any Mali GPU device, as they don't have proper driver support. Still, you can be able to load some titles with less intensive ones. Still, this emulator is in development state. Even on phones still with Snapdragon 8 Elite-like devices struggle a lot to emulate the PS3 natives. I hope future updates may fix this, just like what we have seen on Windows emulators from the last couple years. Like, there's a huge improvement from Game Fusion and Winlator devs. Now we can be able to emulate Windows versions at very high frame rates, even on this Mali GPU devices. We have to wait and see. It might happen with PS3 in the future, like simple PPSSPP emulation. And as you can see, we are getting a stable 30 FPS. Of course, it's not an intensive title. A basic renderer. Still, some games are not working. Like it got stuck on main menu screen. Now let's also import another package title. And this is Just Cause 2. A quite intensive title for a PS3 version. So, let's see. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. This was the complete setup and initial performance test of the APS3E PS3 emulator on Mali GPU Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.